In this video,
we will learn what happens if we change the game files in Fortnite. So in Fortnite, if your game files are changed or if you change any of the files in your game file, Fortnite game will just repair those files when you try to launch it and your game will run simply as that. So currently I am in the Fortnite game folder, and suppose I delete some of these files from here. Just right click, then press on delete. Now if I try to open up the game via Epic Games Launcher, so from the search panel of Windows, we'll type in Epic Games Launcher, then click on open. After the Epic Games Launcher is open, we need to head to the library of Epic Games Launcher. From here, we need to head into the Fortnite section. Now, if we just click on launch, Fortnite will see that some of its files are missing or changed, so they will start verifying and re-downloading those files into our computer yet again. And after the download is completed, we can get into Fortnite and play the game as we used to play before. So now the verification has been done. We can just click on this launch button. And now Fortnite will start launching. So now as you can see, Fortnite has launched without any issue. So this is what happens if you change the game files in Fortnite, and Fortnite's Epic Game Launcher will just repair it for you freely and you can enjoy the game as you wish. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.